Hi, my name is Dr. Eric Neumann, and I'm the chiropractor here at the Pasco Accident Care location, and I've been with Accident Care for over 17 years. What got me into being a chiropractor was actually my hockey coach. He was a chiropractor, and when I was studying chemistry in Canada, I just got a little bored with sitting in front of a computer and laboratory stuff, and I called up Dr. Jeffels, asked to shadow him for a day, and immediately fell in love with everything chiropractic had to offer. And I signed up for Chiropractic College in Portland, Oregon. When you come into the clinic, you can expect to be welcomed by our friendly staff. We have a lot of experience dealing with a variety of car accident-related injuries. You'll be examined thoroughly. Most patients will receive an x-ray by our physician, and they'll go over that x-ray with you in detail and outline all the stages of your recovery. When I'm not busy being a chiropractor, I play ice hockey. I like to run, and I have a beautiful boy, a beautiful wife, and I can't forget about the dog. Thanks for watching. My name again is Dr. Eric Neumann. If you've ever been in a car accident, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're located on Court Street in Pasco.